Yung nakakatuwa kay Nicolo for this performance niya sa Sing-Offs ay yung balance ng power, pero also yung mga parts na kailangan niyang hinaan at mag-hold back na gawa niya eh. Kaya talagang kumbaga dinala niya lahat ng tao dito on an emotional roller coaster for that song. And it was a very difficult song to sing, but he really pulled it off and we're very proud of him.
Kay Nicolo din, I think yung pinaka nag-stand out sa akin is yung sa dulo na part kasi parang talagang he left it all on stage, ika nga. And of course, that's what the song says, being an impossible dream. Pero talagang ramdam mo with every ounce of what he gave para sa performance niya. And sobrang proud lang kasi I know how hard Nicolo did. And di namin alam kung paano.
Nahirapan kami for sure.